Hey everybody, Glenn Tompkins here, Senior Instructor with VectorVest here on our YouTube channel. Welcome to the next video in our Investing for Beginners series. So we've talked a lot about a lot of different things, especially if you're brand new to the stock market, to get you up and going. We understand now what a stock is, how it works, and the important things that buying a stock can do for you. It gives you voting rights. It gives you the ability to make money. If a stock pays a dividend, it gives you the ability to make passive income. You can close out a stock to take a profit, to mitigate losses. How about the video that talked about how much money you need to invest in the market? I gave you really real-world examples of being able to put away $2 a week for a year or $5 a week for a year and being able to turn that money into more money by investing in the stock market. So we've covered terms. There's so much that we've covered so far. Today, we're going to put a lot of this into practical application because this video is all about putting together a trading plan. So you want to know the three things that make up a trading plan, and there's only three. You need to know when to buy, you need to know what to buy, and you need to know when to sell. If you can master those three things, no matter where you are in your journey in investing, you can make money and do so consistently. Whether you have a little money in the market or a lot of money in the market, these three things make up what a trading plan is all about. And today we're going to do practical application utilizing the VectorVest software to show you just how to do that. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you a sweet tool that we have to put all of this into your hands with very little work on your part. All right, with that, let's get started. The first thing you need to know in regards to your trading plan is knowing when to buy. Now, the VectorVest software has definable market timing to help you to know when to buy. When we talk about market timing, and you'll hear this as a brand new investor in the market, that you can't time the market. And we say you can. When we time the market, we don't predict where the market is going to go. We follow the trend of the overall market to keep you on the right side of the trend. And with that information, you'll know whether the market is bullish, bearish, or even moving sideways. We have indicators that tell you when a market is overbought and indicators that tell you when a market overall is oversold. So whether you're using the VectorVest software or your own tools to be able to get in and out of the market, I'm going to show you both ways. Let's start off again with knowing when to buy. I'm going to go to the VectorVest software and I'm going to open up a graph. And from here, we're going to look at a market timing graph, which is depicting the VVC or VectorVest composite. The VectorVest composite is an indexed arithmetic average of all of the stocks that we track. We track over 9,000 stocks, so we feel that the movement of this indicator represents a better movement or a better view of the broad market movement. Thus, we use it for market timing. And for the purposes of you guys being brand new investors, we're going to stick with one primary way of knowing when to buy, and it's the slowest, most conservative market timing call we have, known as the confirmed call. Now, you'll look right now, as of today, and I'm doing this video as of the 12th of January of 2022. No matter when you watch this video, you can open up the VectorVest software to give you the information that's pertinent for that time right now. But as of right now, January 12th of 2022, we are still sitting in a confirmed down call. Now, that happened ever since 11/22 of 2021. All right, and as that's happened, the market overall has been moving down. We've got some bumps where the market moved up, came back down, moved back up, come back down. But currently, overall, the market is telling you from a conservative standpoint, it's not the right time to buy stocks. Now, if I move this out a little bit, you'll see when we get a market up call. The last market up call we had on the confirmed call side was 10/14 of 2021, and it lasted until 11/22 of 2021. Was that a good opportunity from a conservative standpoint to get in and take profit out of the market? Absolutely. So again, we didn't predict where the market was going to go. We kept you on the right side of the trend. Now, knowing that from a conservative timing period, was that a good opportunity to make the money? Absolutely. Well, that sometimes gives you some what we call whipsaws in the market. Look at this up call that happened on 9/2 of 2021, and it turned back down on 9/16 of 2021. Well, can that happen? Absolutely. Doesn't always mean that just because we give an up call that the market's going to go up for a long time. I can go out further to the last year. Look at this. Great opportunity from 5/26/2021 to 7/13/2021. Good up period. Here's another one. 4/8 of 2021 to 5/11 of 2021. Good opportunities. The opportunities are there, but you've got to know that from a conservative, slow speaking on timing signal, it does a really good job of getting you in and out of the right time. Now, I'm going to go to the S&P 500. Many of you may not have the VectorVest software. So I'm looking at the S&P and I'm looking at one moving average. I'm looking at a 20-day simple moving average. Let me help you there. If the market or this S&P is above the 20-day simple moving average, that's a good time to be in the market. When it falls below, that's a good time to be out. And do it over and over and over again to help you with your when to buy. Now, I am going to do 3 other videos after this one, which definitely gets deeper into your when to buy, what stocks to buy, and when to sell your stocks. But this video right now is just presenting to you the overview of having a trading plan. So from the standpoint, again, from the slowest, most conservative timing call, this is a good way to get you in and out of the market. Let's now address the what to buy. Now, within the VectorVest system, we have something called Unisearch. It is our searching tool to help us to find the stocks that fit our investment style. Notice here, I've got two groups that you can take advantage of from that longer-term investor. I have searches retirement for those long-term people who want to get in and hold stocks a little longer. And then I also have searches conservative. I've got 2 folders to help the longer term investor, which ties in very well with that confirmed call to get in and out at the right time. This is the place where you start to find some of those searches, to find the stocks to get in and out of. Now, the first thing that'll come up is, man, there's a lot of different searches just in those 2 folders. How do I know which ones to take? I'm going to help you to understand a better way to know which stocks to play. But I wanted to show you in the software where you can find those types of stocks that you're looking for either conservative or retirement. Now, we need to talk about when to sell. Now I go back to the graphs and I go back to the market timing graphs. When I get a down arrow in that conservative call, that's a good time to close out of all of the positions and wait for the next up call. And I get into the up call and I wait and hold those stocks into the next down call. And I do that over and over again. That's going to help me with my when to sell. Remember, I'm going to do 3 videos after this that dive a little deeper into when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. But I wanted to put it all together in this video right here to give you some semblance of what the steps are to take next, to take all that information that we've given you so far into practical application. Now, remember, I told you if you stay to the end, I got a special tool for you. Watch this. I'm going to go to the Viewers tab right here, and I'm going to go to something called the Trading Systems Viewer. Folks, we've done all the work for you to help you with your when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell, because these are trading systems, knowing your when to buy, what to buy, when to sell. Now, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to sort this by 1 year. Over the last year, which system has done the best? So right now, it looks like it's Thornton's Thunder, but if I'm not conservative, how about this? This is an aggressive set. utilizing a different type of market timing call. So watch this. If I'm looking right now to look more to the more conservative side, let's sort the category and let's go down to the conservative systems. Ooh, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 conservative systems that are in the system already for you. Wow, how easier could that be? All right, from that perspective, over the last month, which one has gone up the most? Well, keep in mind, because this is conservative, these are not systems that are going to blow the doors off the market. These are more slowly building up your portfolio type of scenario. So let's look at this. How about one that's got positive in all three, 1 month, 3 month, and 1 year? Where's the first one I see that? Blue chip, using the profit locker, conservative. Conservative, here's the market timing call. Again, we'll get into market timing in a later time in my other videos. For the month, it's up 1.6%. For the last 3 months, it's up 4.6%. Over the last year, it's up 11.2%. That's not half bad for a slowly building portfolio. Which else is positive? How about blue chip dividend payers? Up over 2% over the last month, 10% over the last 3 months, and 15% over the last year. Excuse me, what else is here? Big portfolio performance. Notice that all three of these that I'm looking at are all in the conservative folder. Up a little bit under 1% for the month, over 3% for the last 3 months, but 19% over the last year. Now, here's one that's up 29% over the last year, but not doing so well over the last month. This is where the trading system comes into a big value play for you to help you to know your when to buy, what to buy, when to sell. And I want to show you this. Conservative, let's go look at the one that's got positive for the last 3 months, 1 month, 3 month, and 1 year. Watch this. Right click. I can go and look at the trading system details, and it will break down how this works. My when to buy, my what to buy, and when to sell will show up. So here we go. 1 month, 3 month, what the current holdings are. Everything will be given to you, broken down for you. Let's close that out. Let's right click. Let's go paper. You can paper trade this into a portfolio and let it work for you to see that you're comfortable before you take advantage of it. Trade through your robo-trader directly to your trading system. But folks, that's it in a nutshell. So with that, folks, this was a great overview video of knowing when to buy, what to buy, when to sell. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, by all means, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when new videos like this comes out. I liked doing this video right off the hip because I think that taking everything that we've talked about in understanding from a brand new perspective what's going on in the stock market, this was a good way to start to put this into practical application. So folks, thank you for being here. I look forward to making the new video. The next 3 videos are going to dive deeper into the when to buy, the what to buy, and the when to sell. We'll talk about more timing signals in the what to buy, when to buy. We'll talk deeper into the different types of investors for the what to buy, and we'll talk about different ways of getting out of the stocks for your when to sell. So you want to be here for those to go deeper. So folks, until the next time this video is over, see ya.